In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cursor with Docker containers. First, make sure you have Docker installed and running on your machine. Next, open your project in Cursor. If your project already includes a Docker file or Docker compose.yml, you're ready to go. Open the terminal inside Cursor using Control+ backtick and run your container with a command like docker compose upper run. Once your container is running, you can interact with it directly from the terminal or attach to it using Docker commands like docker exec. For a smoother workflow, you can also use a dev container setup. This allows Cursor to connect directly into the container environment so your code, dependencies, and tools all run inside Docker. If you're using something like a.dev container configuration, Cursor will detect it and prompt you to reopen the project inside the container. This is great for keeping your environment consistent across machines and teams. And that's how you use Cursor with Docker containers for a more reliable development setup. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.